Does CBD oil help with high blood pressure? This video presents some current info and research on CBD for high blood pressure. Please subscribe below for updates and news on CBD. High blood pressure is a serious condition that currently affects thousands of adults in America. Statistics show that 33% of adults who are above the age of 20 struggle with high blood pressure, and that figure reaches a whopping 66% for those in their mid-60s and over. It goes without saying that high blood pressure is becoming a nasty rising trend, which is only going to worsen if changes to the system aren't made. While there is already a substantial amount of research into hypertension, a succinct cure is yet to be found. And, thanks to the rise of natural medicines, including medical marijuana, many people now suspect that cannabis-based products could provide the answers we have been looking for with regards to lowering blood pressure in modern society. Hypertension doesn't immediately strike us as a fatal condition when you compare it to aggressive illnesses like cancer or epilepsy. However, high blood pressure has been coined as a silent killer in the medical industry, based on the reality that hypertension is often not accompanied by any warning symptoms. This dreaded condition will put you at a higher risk of having a heart attack, heart failure, strokes, and even kidney disease. It is a condition that must be taken seriously in order to avoid its fatal repercussions. What are the symptoms of hypertension? While there are some medical conditions in existence that can be diagnosed at home, high blood pressure is not one of them. It is virtually impossible to tell if your blood pressure is too high without experiencing other negative symptoms, and by that point, it could be too late. You should always schedule regular checkups with your physician to monitor blood pressure, and you should make an appointment at your local medical center as soon as possible if you start noticing any of the following symptoms: a more severe headache than normal, feeling permanently tired, problems with your vision, irregular heartbeat, difficulty breathing. How can CBD help? The big question is, does CBD oil lower blood pressure? CBD is a natural product that is relatively new to the mainstream market. It is known to help with chronic pain and cancer-related pain, severe diabetes, multiple sclerosis, and Alzheimer's disease. One of its primary uses, however, is to manage and lower the symptoms of anxiety and stress disorders like post-traumatic stress disorder, therefore, lowering your blood pressure. When you feel calm, you are able to relax, so your blood pressure responds accordingly and decreases in time with your heart rate. Cannabidiol is a natural vasodilator. It will help ensure that your blood is flowing easily and smoothly. A particularly nasty symptom of hypertension is that it can cause irreversible damage to your arteries and heart. You then tend to end up with conditions like coronary heart disease. Fortunately, CBD has proven to be effective to alleviate the negative consequences of affected blood vessels. Research shows that CBD administration reliably reduces blood pressure in healthy adults. The available studies show that CBD lowers normal blood pressure as well as blood pressure impacted by various stressors. This may be good news for hypertension patients who are in the market for alternative treatments. At this time, however, there have not been any trials testing the effect of CBD on chronic hypertension. These effects are promising, but as a hypertension treatment, the use of CBD is only speculative and anecdotal. While the research is not yet to the point of specific protocol development, some individuals have taken their health futures into their own hands. The benefits of taking CBD for high blood pressure. As time passes, more states are moving to legalize marijuana for medicinal purposes and other derivatives from the cannabis plant, and that means more people across the U.S. are using cannabis-based products like CBD hemp oil to treat and reduce the effects of a wide range of ailments. CBD contains some incredibly unique properties, which all contribute to making it a very effective and in-demand alternative medication for patients worldwide. Without a doubt, one of the primary benefits to consider when you use CBD to lower blood pressure is that it not only targets your hypertension, it also works to lower anxiety, relieve insomnia, and heal any pain you might have in your body. The average American who suffers from high blood pressure is usually prescribed a range of pharmaceuticals to overcome the multitude of symptoms that come with hypertension. And over time, all of these toxic medicines can have negative consequences to their overall health, so this is the primary driving force behind people turning to CBD for their health issues, as it naturally heals all aspects of hypertension. CBD specifically lowers high blood pressure in two primary ways. It has anti-inflammatory properties. When a part of your body becomes swollen and painful, it is referred to as inflammation. Hypertension can cause inflammation, and in turn, inflammation causes hypertension. Many patients battling hypertension find that they also have to deal with inflammation and pain on an almost daily basis. CBD is an entirely natural anti-inflammatory, which helps eliminate and soothe any swelling you might have, so by healing your inflammation. CBD also causes your blood pressure to lower. It reduces anxiety. Hypertension can often be caused by anxiety and stress, and vice versa. Many people are surprised to learn that the reason they feel stressed and anxious is because of high blood pressure. CBD will take care of any anxiety issues by lowering your heart rate and keep you in a calmer state. When your stress levels drop, so does your blood pressure. Ways to take CBD. There are a variety of ways that you can consume CBD in order to experience its potency, including oils or tinctures, CBD sprays, gummy sweets, tea, edibles. Thanks to a variety of ingestion methods, you can try each one until you find a method that suits you best. Dosage. If you want to enjoy all of the positive benefits of CBD, then you will need to get your dosage right. Dosage is a very individual aspect of CBD, so sometimes what works for one person doesn't work for another. It is always recommended that you start with a smaller dose and increase it gradually if you feel you need to. You can also consult a holistic physician to get more clarity on the best dose for your needs. Final thoughts. Modern society is that it comprises a variety of aspects that result in many of us having busy lifestyles, and we always seem to be rushing from A to B. If this culture continues in the same way, even more people will develop hypertension, which is why it is so important to understand all of your treatment options in advance. CBD can be an effective and non-damaging way to treat the symptoms of high blood pressure and gives patients more of a choice with regards to moving forward with treatment. 99% of customers report less headaches, anxiety, and better focus with our CBD oil. Get your mind right. Links below to some great products. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for ongoing updates and news on CBD. Thanks for watching. CBD Healer.